Good morning, class. Let us come to another session of chapter 2, that is fractions and decimals, with the continuation of exercise 2.6. Today I am starting with question number 4, which is a word problem. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? Now, let us write the statement. Distance covered in 1 liter of petrol, that is 55.3 kilometer. Distance covered in 10 liter of petrol, 55.3 multiplied by 10. Now, when you multiply 55.3 by 10, you know that it is a rule when a decimal number is multiplied by 10, the decimal point will be shifted one step towards right. So, what is the answer? 553 kilometer. Now, let us come to question number 5. In question number 5, you need to multiply two decimal numbers. See, 2.5 is a decimal number and 0.3 is the another decimal number. So, let me explain the long method of multiplication first. Children, you know that 2.5 could be written as 25 by 10. Similarly, 0.3 could be written as 3 upon 10. Now, multiply 25 and 3, 75, and 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100. Now, you can easily convert 75 by 100 into a decimal number. Your answer is 0.75. ये तो log method है. Now, we can also do this kind of question directly. See, 2.5 multiplied by 0.3. Now, in direct method, हम decimal को पहले ignore कर देते हैं. What is 2.5 without decimal? 25. And what is 0.3 without decimal? 3. Let us multiply 25 and 3. When you multiply 25 and 3, what do you get? 75. Write 75. And after that, count the decimal digits. One decimal digit of 2.5 and another decimal digit of 0.3. 1 plus 1, 2. So, there should be two decimal digits in the answer and your answer is 0.75. Now, for further questions हम direct method use करेंगे. जैसे अभी हमने सीखी है 0.1 multiplied by 51.7. Now, 0.1, if you ignore the decimal part of 0.1, the number is only 1. And 51.7, if you ignore its decimal, the number is 517. So, let us multiply 1 and 517. Your answer is 517. Copy 517. Now, count the decimal digits. One decimal digit plus one decimal digit. So, total two decimal digits are there. So, two decimal digits should be there in the answer part. And your answer is 5.17. Decimal point सबसे last में लगाइए. Similarly, 0.2 multiplied by 316.8. Ignore the decimal. What is the number without decimal? 2. And what is this number without decimal? 3168. So let us multiply 2 and 3168 first. Your answer is 6336. Copy 6336. Now count the decimal digits. 1 and here also 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 decimal digits there should be in the answer part and your answer is 63.36. Same in the fourth part. 1.3 multiplied by 3.1. So 1.3, if you ignore it decimal, it could be written as 13 and 3.1 could be written as 31 if you ignore its decimal. Let us multiply 13 and 31, 403. Now 1 plus 1, there should be two decimal digits in the answer. So your answer is 4.03. Same thing in fifth part. 0.5 multiplied by 0.05. Now, अगर आप 0.5 का decimal ignore कर देते हैं, so the number is only 5. And if you ignore the decimal part of 0.05, the number is again 5. 05 means 5 only. Now, 5 5s are 25. Now, let us count the decimal places 1, 2 and 3. So, 3 decimal digits should be in the answer part. So, increase 1 0 on the left hand side and the answer is 0.025. 11.2 multiplied by 0.15. So let us multiply 112 and 15 first. Answer is 1680. Now count the decimal places 1, 2 and 3. So 3 decimal places in the answer. 1.680, that could also be written as 1.68. Similarly, 7th part, multiply 107 and 2 first. 107 multiplied by 2, 214. Now count the decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4. So there should be 4 decimal places. एक zero पीछे की ओर लगा लीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4 and apply decimal and the answer is 0.0214. I hope you got this method. Let us come to 8th part. In 8th part, 10.05 multiplied by 1.05. So ignore the decimal place. 1005 multiplied by 105 as we have done earlier. Multiply the digits first. It is 105525. Copy 105525 and then count the decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4. So there should be 4 decimal places there in the answer. Similarly, 101.01, if you ignore its decimal, the number is 10101 and 0.01 का अगर आप decimal ignore करते हैं, so the number is only 1. Multiply both 10101. Now count the decimal places 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there should be 4 decimal places in the answer. Same for the last part. If you ignore the decimal part of 100.01, it is 10001 and 11. Multiply them. The answer is 110011. Now count the decimal places letter 1, 2, 3. So there should be 3 decimal places in the answer. I hope you got the direct method of multiplication of 2 decimal numbers and now you can use it. Thank you.